Okay, so y-intercept is 2, slope is 1/3, and then y is greater than or equal to, which tells us y is greater than or equal to, which means it's a solid line. And then greater than or equal to means you shade above. So it's a solid, and we're going to shade above the line. So since it's solid, that means that the students on the line are Justin Bieber fans. So our y-intercept is at 2. Our slope is a positive 1/3, which means we're going up. So we go up 1, we would go to the right 1, 2, 3, down 1, left 1, 2, 3. And this is a solid line. And we're going to shade above. And let's answer the questions before we mix in the red because it's easier to count. So how many of your classmates are Justin Bieber fans? So the Justin Bieber fans are all of these, including those on the line. Remember, because it's a solid line, so they are part of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we do include Anna because she's on a solid line, which means there would be 10 students in this class that are Justin Bieber fans. So based on the inequality, are Anthony and Ricardo Justin Bieber fans? Here's Anthony. Where's Ricardo?
There's 2 Anthonys.
Yeah, that's interesting. You're right. There's this Anthony. I think they're probably thinking these two. Let's say Anthony Z. Are Anthony Z and Ricardo Justin Bieber fans? The answer would be no, because they are not in the shaded region. Or on the line. Okay, then number 3 is asking about Taylor Swift fans. So let's go ahead and graph our Taylor Swift fans, which are at y is less than negative 2x minus 3. Let's go to negative 3 is our y-intercept, and then our slope is negative 2, which means our line's going down. So we'd go up 2 and to the left 1, up 2, left 1, 2, left 1. And then y is less than. So if it's less than, that is a dashed line because it's not equal. And y is less than, which means we're going to shade below. So dashed line. And shade below the line. Okay, so how many of the students are Taylor Swift fans? So Taylor Swift fans are all in the red, right? And if it's a dashed line, that means that Luz, Damien, and Afra are not Taylor Swift fans because they are on a dashed line. So we just have to count all of the students that are in the shaded region. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, And Mr. Morris is the teacher, so it asked how many students, so it would be 12. 12 students are Taylor Swift fans. Let's find Jaylene and Leslie O. Here's Leslie O, and here is Jaylene. So are they Taylor Swift fans? Yes, they are in the shaded region. And then number 5 says, how many students hope that Justin Bieber will join Taylor Swift and give a concert on the Disney Channel? Shade the area and list the students. So that means which students are Justin Bieber and Taylor Swift fans. That's just this little section up here. So how many students are there? So remember, we would count the students on the solid line that are also in the red shaded region. And then we have Afra right here, though, who is not, remember, they are not a Taylor Swift fan because they were on the dash line. So we're not going to count that one, but we are going to count that one because it's on the blue solid line and in the red shaded region. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. So that is Brian, Leslie M, Jacob, Rochelle, and